Hello dear student, I'm very happy that you have chosen my website design course with CSS. So as I promised to you in my website design course with HTML that I will launch another course to give you a complete training on website design with CSS, which is very much important to know when you are going to start your career as a website designer. So HTML learning is important as well as learning CSS is also important. So in this introductory part I'm showing you why these things are important, and we will learn some theoretical parts. Also we will learn some notes or some terms that are actually used in CSS, and gradually in practical training we will learn the use of CSS work that actually needed to design a website. So let's start with our PowerPoint. For your easiness, I'm starting my presentation. So this is our course, website design with CSS. Now what actually CSS stands for? What is the full meaning of CSS? Which is cascading styling sheet. So CSS is actually used to control the style of a web document in a simple and very easy way. Whenever we will integrate the CSS file with our website HTML file, then you will see how actually it helps to control the entire design work very easily. And it is a simple language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. So you don't need to go through some complex coding through it, but you need to know the functions, how to use this CSS to design a web page. Then why actually you learn the CSS? It's to create a good, stunning, beautiful website. Then if you want to become a web designer, you must need to know CSS. Then web controlling work that actually needed CSS knowledge, otherwise you cannot control your design. Then if you know HTML and CSS perfectly, then it will help you to learn other languages just like PHP, JavaScript, then jQuery, Python language, because these all are actually interrelated with one another. So these are the base. So if you strong your base, then it will be easier for you to learn other languages very easily. Then what are the actually benefits of CSS? Time saver, of course. The thing actually it took you 15 to 20 minutes. When you start using CSS, then you can do it within a very short period of time, just like 2 minutes or 3 minutes if you are expert in this. Then CSS helps to load your pages very faster, so that your website loading speed time will be increasing, and that is very much helpful for the traffic, for the users. And CSS is very easy to maintain, because if you know the flow of the CSS code, then it will help you to detect where actually you need to bring the changes. Then superior styles to HTML, because HTML is the basic of website design. It is the structure. You can check my HTML course for website design. So there you can see that HTML alone cannot make a beautiful website. so you need the help of CSS. There I showed some basic use of CSS, but if you start working, or if you start learning here, then you will know that how actually CSS helps to make your work more easily. Then multiple device compatibility. There it means CSS actually helps to make your website compatible with any types of devices. It could be mobile device, it could be desktop, laptop, or tab, if you are compatible with. So this is all about benefits of CSS. And also CSS has a global web standard because it is widely used around the world, so any web designer can understand the CSS code. Then we will learn some terms in our next tutorial, so it will be better for you to explain in different types of terms that we will going to use in our CSS. So till then, just go through the tutorial and then move forward to the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.